Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of minimalist luxury, specifically tailored for small spaces. As spring is here, we're adding a splash of bright colors to our palette to refresh and invigorate our living areas. Let's transform your cozy corner into a chic, functional sanctuary. First things first, minimalist luxury is all about simplicity and sophistication. In a small apartment, this means choosing furniture that serves multiple purposes without sacrificing style. While minimalist decor often features neutral tones, spring invites us to be bold. Incorporating bright colors like vibrant yellows, bold pinks, or refreshing blues can breathe new life into your space. Imagine soft pastel throw pillows on your sofa or a bright yellow vase on your floating shelves. These pops of color make your space feel lively and seasonal. Texture plays a huge role in luxury. In your small space, opt for high-quality materials like thick wool rugs or satin curtains that add a layer of opulence. These elements not only enrich your decor, but also provide tactile comfort, making your home a place you love to spend time in. Clutter is the enemy of minimalism. To keep things looking spacious and tidy, invest in smart storage solutions. Built-in units, under-sofa drawers, and multifunctional ottomans are perfect for stowing away belongings without cluttering your space. Every item should have its place, allowing your bright accents to truly shine. Good lighting is crucial, especially in small spaces. Choose statement pieces that serve as both a light source and a work of art, like a minimalist chandelier or unique sculptural floor lamps. These fixtures provide necessary illumination and act as focal points, enhancing the overall aesthetics of your apartment. That's all we have for today. I hope these tips inspire you to embrace minimalist luxury in your small space this spring and our style fits your home. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design inspiration. Happy decorating! Until next time!